Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix can't install the HWiNFO driver. So how to resolve it? Firstly guys, click to start button and go to click to setting. Then guys, Windows update. So guys, you will firstly check your Windows up to date or not. If you have any pending update like KB series, so firstly download and install and then restart, then check again if you are not working. So type control, click to start button and type control panel, open. Then guys, uninstall and program, but view by select by category, then uninstall program, uninstall update. So guys, last update uninstall and then try, again uninstall, then try and then close. I giving you next solutions. Start button, type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So guys, type SC stop HWiNFO, then guys enter. Okay, next again SC delete HWiNFO, then enter. Okay, then guys go to open browsers, type Google, type HWiNFO drivers. This is actually official websites. Okay, so which is you install using, okay, those portals and like, and which is your operating system. So okay, download. You can try old version, otherwise you have to try list. Latest one, click to download. Now this is downloading. Open page. Okay, double click to open. You have a 32-bit, so try 32-bit. You have to 64, so click first 34. Then guys, double click to launch, then start. Now your system configuration and then installing your systems. Okay, then close. This is finally installed. Okay, and one more thing, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second
Second, also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.